This is CBS 5 Eyewitness News.
Good evening, I'm Dana King.
And I'm Ken Bastina. Tonight, gay marriage supporters are one step closer to possibly overturning Proposition 8. California Supreme Court has agreed to hear challenges to the same-sex marriage ban. The justices will consider three issues. Here they are. Whether Prop 8 is a revision or an amendment to the state constitution, if it violates the separation of powers doctrine, and what will happen to gay marriages performed before Prop 8 passed. Joe Vasquez on why even the Yes on 8 side welcomes this legal challenge.
Same-sex marriages are still in legal limbo, but the state Supreme Court is promising a quick review of the challenges to Proposition 8. The key question before the court, did Prop 8 follow the rules when it comes to changing the Constitution? In legal language, if the court decides Proposition 8 amended the Constitution, then the ban on same-sex marriage could be upheld. If it decides it was a revision of the Constitution, then Prop 8 could be shot down.
If it's a revision, it means that it has to go to the legislature first and has to be a 2/3 approval by the legislature before it can go to the people. So if the court finds it to be a revision, then Prop 8 cannot go into effect because it wasn't done the right way.
I'm just gratified that the court decided to take the case up and recognizes the importance of having a final decision.
Both sides are applauding the court's decision to fast-track hearings.
That's a big win for the people of California. It means that there will be a decision in months rather than protracted litigation for years.
Tom Laurie, Yes on 8 campaign chairman for Contra Costa County, says the Supreme Court's decision to allow his campaign's lawyers to work alongside California Attorney General Jerry Brown is key.
Jerry Brown has been an advocate for No on 8 throughout the entire campaign. Also, he played with the wording on the naming of Prop 8, which really added to a lot of confusion that we had to overcome in the campaign. So we had great concerns about his defense.
A spokesperson for Jerry Brown told me tonight, quote, nonsense, that it is the Attorney General's job to uphold the law, which in this case happens to be on the side squarely against same-sex marriage. We'll see how vigorous his defense is when he comes here to the state Supreme Court building for the first hearing in March. Joe Vasquez, CBS 5.
And tonight.